Number 9 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. I'll never be all you ever need. I'll never be your eternity. But for me, you're all I need. But for me, you are my eternity. I know I'm not what you thought of love. I know I'm not what you dreamt of. But for me, you are my love. Everything that I was dreaming of. I know it's hard for you to live with, knowing that I've not got much to give. But for me, I live with, knowing that I give you all I have to give. My life was spent alone, then I met you. Now I know that I could have been, I should have been, I would have been your home. Well, I could have been, I should have been, I would have been your home. The life that we create, it wasn't a mistake. I could have been, I should have been, I would have been your home. Well, I could have been, I should have been, I would have been your home. Can I be everything you need? Can I be your eternity? Can I be your love? Everything that you dreamt of. Can you find a way to live with, accepting what I've got to give? 'Cause for